Hey guys, and welcome to The Sincere Lifestyle. Today I'm going to take you through a 90s look makeup tutorial. I have my space buns going, this mock neck, this choker. I'm ready for a 90s makeup look. Are you guys ready with me? So let's go. So number one, what I always love to start with is moisturized skin. You know, you cannot get away from skincare when you put makeup on. So I'm going to show you what I love to use. For my cleanser, I love using this Vanicream. It's gentle, it doesn't strip the face at all, and it's just a great way to start with a fresh face. This Skinfix has been a game changer because I do need lots and lots of moisture. My skin gets dry, and what it does is it provides moisture, but it's still sensitive enough for my skin. And so I definitely cleanse my skin, and then I apply about 1 or 2 pumps of this, and then I use it like all over my skin before I place makeup on. I'm just gonna do another pump on here and just get super moisturized before I do this 90s makeup look for you guys. If you are following along, check the links below. Everything I'm using will be linked. And this, guys, I've been using for about, I would say, 4 months now, 3 months now, and I don't think I'm gonna stop. It's vegan and cruelty free, which I love. As you know, I'm vegan, y'all. So the next thing I'm gonna do is a primer. I am using this YSL primer, and it is Touche Éclat Bleu Primaire. You'll get the link below, okay? Do a little dot here, dot there, you know, and then rub it in. Rub this bad boy in. Rub it in. 90s has been trending for quite a bit, guys, and so I am excited to share this look with you. So next thing, staying on this YSL trend, All Hours Foundation. Now, one thing about this, it's matte finish. It gives you that nice 90s matte look, you know, and also it's up to 24 hours flawless matte wear, and it also has SPF of 20. Now that I'm in California, it just helps to have a little bit of SPF on my skin. And so I'm gonna do 1 pump, and let's see how long that takes me. So this is how 1 pump looks like. And if you're wondering what color I'm using for this YSL All Hours Foundation, this is warm coffee. Okay. And so let's just, I like to just evenly place it. It's interesting because what I like to do, I do outside first, and then I do like a soft, let's do a soft buff. A soft buff throughout the skin. And so paying attention to the T-zone there, a little T-zone action, a little bit of under the chin. And so now I'm gonna go into the under eye here, and the other under eye, so that gets its own little blot of foundation there for me, because I feel like sometimes I'm tired, the bags might be popping depending on what I'm doing that week. And so I do another little pump, well, this is all 1 pump, but I do another little pickup when it comes to around the mouth. And then I just love to just, you know, go over and like buff, because I love the skin finish to this. And so buffing it, I found, helps me maintain that. So I don't do this area here because I'm going to leave that for the 90s eyeshadow look. So that's going to remain clean. And so I am actually really obsessed with certain 90s style, and like one of them is like Janet Jackson look. So I'll include a photo here, and that really gave me the space bun moment that I was inspired by, and so I had to do a little space bun moment. Let me just look at my eyebrows. So guys, little secret. I got a secret. I actually tried microblading. Woo, 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 woo. Review coming soon. So you'll see, like in our past makeup videos, I was doing a lot with my brow. Now I'm just brushing. I'm gonna let you know how it was, how the process was, what I recommend, you know, and Karen and I will divulge our microblading tips, but that's another video for another day. So stay tuned for that. Ooh, here is a nice Marc Jacobs brush, and so I'm gonna use it because I like how firm it is. It's like a nice smudge brush, and I'm just gonna use it because what I really want to do is get this two-tone effect. So today I'm using this Urban Decay, and this is Born to Run palette. You can also get Urban Decay's palettes from Sephora. And so actually, you know what, I'm gonna use this Sephora brush, and this is from their complete kit, and so their brush kit, and so this is for the eyeshadow. I'm gonna first do Weekender, which is this nice light color. So you might have something similar that you can use. You don't have to use this exact color. So it's like this nice light color. And so what I'm gonna do is just lightly sweep this across the center brow area and also underneath my brow here. And get that nice 90s matte look. And lightly sweep that there. It's looking great and powdery here. And so I'm gonna focus on the corner of the eye there for both areas, and then focus on the center there. And so now what we're gonna focus on is contouring the eye with a different color. And so what I'm gonna use, I will use this Riff tone here. And so this tone is going to help just balance out that lighter tone that we put at the center and by the brow. And so let me just get another brush from the palette. And so this I'm gonna focus on in the crease, just for that definition. It's a little bit of 90s warmth as well. Kind of love what that's doing. And let's just do that there. A little moment there. So you can use a medium warm brown. Just pick it up at the sides. And so I'm gonna take that brush that I used previously and do another round of this beige Weekender. Just again accentuating, and then at the center, wherever, just to make sure it pops. It's a nice 90s pop there. So really at the corner of your eye, and then picking it up. Boop, boop. I have this Stila, how do you say it? S-T-I-L-A, Stay All Day Long Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. And so for me, it really helps to like hold my eye a bit like this, and then just go. See that? And then the center. Ooh. Going into the end. So that helps. And the great thing about this Stila liquid eyeliner is that you can like really slowly make sure at the ends that you have the same shape going on both sides. That's the most challenging part about liquid eyeliner, is just that getting that angle right. Okay, I think I'm happy with this. Let me just get a lift there, a little more lift, so it looks a little more happy like the other side. And now the next step would be to use just a little bit of your mascara. But before I do that, I definitely want to just take one more sweep with the chestnutty color. I love how in the 90s makeup, a lot of times you get like this warm look, and so I'm gonna just go for that riff that's in this palette, so you can get a nice warm chestnutty brown, and just sweep that off the sides and also at my crease there. And then I'm going to do the same for the other side, just to get that nice chestnutty color. So pretty obsessed with this Fenty cream, and this is the Cheeks Out shade of her cream blush. Pretty awesome, and gives you that 90s moment.
Hit the subscribe button and press like on the video. See you next time.